Nagpadayon gyapon ang kagamanang provincial pinaagi ni Gobernador Ruel Ragay Digamo pagtagad sa nagkadayang kalihukan dinhi sa lalawigan. Partikular na ang makasaysayan nga deklarasyon pagpailalom sa lalawigan sa Negros Oriental isip conflict manageable o development ready sa yunining si Manaha. Kini uguban pa mo'y unod sa lain usab nga hugna sa provincial report Mayo 10, 2014. Dakong hagit ang karon pa lamang daan gipanglantawan ni Gobernador Digamo nga ngayon nga tubangon sa tanan nga lokal nga kagamanan ning lalawigan. Kini human formal nga gipaalalom sa yunining si Manaha ang lalawigan sa Negros Oriental isip conflict manageable ug development ready province. Gipahigayon ang formal nga deklarasyon sulod sa Negros Oriental Convention Center pinaagi sa mga kadagkuan sa kasundaluhan, kapulisan, Regional Peace and Order Council, kagamanan provincial o mga sakop sa Provincial Peace and Order Council o mga tinugyanan sa pribadong sektor. Kini nga kalihukan ang gitambungan mismo ni Department of National Defense Secretary Voltaire Yasmin, Lieutenant General Hernando Irebere, Commanding General sa Philippine Army, Major General John Bonafos, Commander sa Central Command Armed Forces of the Philippines, Police Chief Superintendent Catalino Rodriguez, gikan sa Kapulisan, Major General Aurelio B. Balanad, Commander 3rd ID of the Philippine Army, Governor Edgardo M. Chato, kinsa mo ang chairman sa Regional Peace and Order Council 7 o guban pa.
God our Father, we are gathered here today to express our collective gratitude and prayer for this province. You have created us in your image and likeness. You have made us social beings because you are the Father of us all, and we are your children. You know what is in our hearts and minds. As we thank you and commit ourselves to this peace signing today, as we thank you and commit ourselves to the relative peace our land experiences, we acknowledge that true and lasting peace can only come from you, from being faithful to you, from following the godly values of truth, justice, love, and freedom, which are the pillars of true peace. We pray that you will enlighten us with your heavenly light. Enlighten all of us so that we will follow your path and choose peace. Enlighten us so that we will be able to rectify our intentions and make up for the times that we have acted only to serve our self-interest, and for the times we have been remiss in our duty to serve the common good. Give us your spirit so that we can persevere in the task of continuing dialogue to reconcile differences among ourselves according to the principles of truth, of justice, and the common good.
God of peace and prosperity, we are gathered here today with joy and thanksgiving in celebrating your gift of peace to the people of the province of Negros Oriental. We thank you for the coordinated efforts of our local government unit leaders, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Philippine National Police, civil society organizations, other security components, and all peace-loving individuals who painstakingly strive hard in seeing to it that Negros Oriental will become a conflict manageable and development-ready province. May this day be a reminder to all of us that we cannot solve poverty through the use of force and the perpetration of violence in our midst. Guy, our provincial government, our governor, our vice governor, members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, in formulating programs that truly caters the necessity of the needy, the poor, and the afflicted. For as long as there is no good news preached to the poor, no healing given to the broken-hearted, no deliverance of captives to freedom, and no light given to the blind, we cannot truly experience peace and prosperity. At moments over, those individuals or groups who are planning to interrupt this endeavor just to advance their evil desires, sacrificing the innocent lives of civilians and men in uniform. On this day, we offer to you all our lives as stakeholders of this work. May we truly and genuinely work this out together for the betterment of the people of Negros Oriental.
Our officials to please stand at the back of our signatories to the joint declaration of Negros Oriental sa conflict.
Sa iyang mensahe, gipaabot ni Gobernador Digamo ayan dakong kalipay ug dakong pasalamat sa tanan nga sektor nga nagtambay yung alang sa maong kalampusan. Kini usa ka dako kaayo may danon nga tipik sa kasaysayan sa lalawigan sa Negros Oriental nga sa taas nga panahon ilalom sa hulga sa suliran sa insurensiya. Ug human paglabay sa pipila ka katuigan ug mga gihimong paningkamot aron mapaabot ang mga batakan nga serbisyo ngadto sa mga katawhan ilabi na gayud sa kabukiran. Nakita nga dako kayo ang pagkunhod sa puwersa sa New People's Army kung NPA dinhis lalawigan sa Negros Oriental. Usa sa dakong hinungdan ini mao ang pagpahibalik sa pagsalig sa mga katawhan ngadto sa kagamanan tungod sa seryoso nini nga pagtuman sa ilang mga giboton o kaakuhan. Mato ni Gobernador Digamo, ang pagkabot sa estado nga conflict manageable ang angayan gayud nga tagaan og dakong pagmaya og pasalamat tungod kay kini indikasyon man nga nidulot na ang mga gihimong paningkamot sa nagkadiyang sektor aron makabot ang dugay na kayong gipangandoy nga kalinaw ug kalambuan dinhis lalawigan. Apan daling gidugang ni Gobernador Digamo nga dungan niini nga pagmaya og pasalamat mao ang seryoso nga pagdawat niya sa dakong hagit aron mamahimong magmalungtaron ang pakabot nga kalampusan sa kasamtangan. Pamahayag ni Gobernador Digamo, kinahanglan nga walay mamahimong bangag nga mo'y posibleng gamiton nga hinungdan nganong mawala na usab ang pagsalig sa mga katawhan ngadto sa kagamanan. Samtang kini nga kalihukan ang giulagway ni Gobernador Digamo nga timaan alang sa pagsulod sa mas dakong hagit ilabi na gayud sa mga lokal nga kagamanan ug nagkadayang sektor dinhis lalawigan. Kini ang hagit alang sa pagsustener sa gipakanaog nga deklarasyon aron makabot ang mas gipangandoy nga gisamputanan nining tanan nga mao ang zero insurgency dinhis lalawigan. Kinahanglan nga dili mohunong human sa gipakanaog nga deklarasyon tungod kay dinhi noon ang dagkong hagit nga ngayan nga tubangon sa kagamanan. Busa maton niya, kinahanglan nga padayon nga magtambay ayong ug maghugpong aron mamahimong hiniusa ang mga lakang pagtagad sa mga panginahanglan sa mga katawan. Sa habig sa kagamanan provincial, mato ni Gobernador Digamo, magpadayon ang kusganon og seryoso nga pagpatuman sa mga proyekto ilabi na gayud ang alang sa mga katawhan sa kabukiran. Mato ni Gobernador Digamo, magpadayon ang kasamtangan ng direksyon sa kagamanan provincial paggamit sa mga proyekto isip mga behikulo alang sa pagkabot sa kalinaw kalambuan dinhis lalawigan. Magpadayon usab ang iyang paglusog kusganon nga suporta sa mga ahensya sa kagamanan nga mo'y padayon nga gitahasan aron tinuuray nga mamahimong insurgency free ang lalawigan sa Negros Oriental. Dugang ni Gobernador Digamo ang padayon nga pagtambayo mo'y usa sa pinakamahinungdanon nga lamas aron mamahimong malungtaron ang pagkabot sa kalampusan kalabot sa suliran sa insurensiya dinhis lalawigan. Gani, ang gihimong deklarasyon baguhay lang, mato ni Gobernador Digamo, mao'y lig-on nga sanglitanan kung magtambayayong ug maghiusa lamang ang tanan. Ang suliran sa insurensiya dili kini masulbad pinaagi sa usa ka ahensya o pinaagi sa pakusog lamang tungod kay adunay laing mga pamaagi aron kini mahatagan og katumanan. O kini mao karon ang padayon nga giduso aron makabot ang kalinaw ug kalambuan nga wala nay dugo pang mabanaw sa mga kayutaan dinis lalawigan. Subay niini nang hinaot si Gobernador Digamo nga pinaagi niini mas madasig pa ang mga sakop sa New People's Army nga mobalik na sa sabakan sa balaod ug makigtambayayong na sa kagamhanan.
We come together today to write another chapter in the province's history as we formally set our hand to the joint declaration of Negros Oriental as a country manageable and development-ready province. The people of Negros Oriental are truly humble and greatly honored with this achievement because it means that hard work and dedication pay off. And if we work together as one, we can beat the odds. We can make a difference. This joint declaration symbolizes the steadfastness and determination of our armed forces to mind, if not reduce and or eliminate the capability of the enemies of the state, like the New People's Army or the NPAs, to threaten the peace and order situation not only of our hinterland, but also the rural communities. I bow my hat to all of us who in one way or another have contributed to putting us in conflict manageable and development-ready status. And I would like to make special mention to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, more particularly the 302nd Infantry Brigade under Brigadier General Francisco Patrimonio ato siya papakan mga kaisuran, and the 3rd Infantry Division under Major General Aurelio Bernal ato sa siya papakan. I am truly happy with this development because this is what we have been working for. This is what we have hoped to achieve under our Central Peace Program dubbed as sa Provincia Magbigamota, which is aimed at attaining peace and development through health, education, and livelihood programs and projects. It is also noteworthy to mention that the convergence of government efforts, such as the AFP's Bayanihan Project and other civil-military activities in conflict areas, including the peace talks, and our very own efforts to bring government services at the doorstep of our constituents, like the medical missions, have gradually earned the respect and won the hearts of the local communities, such that we go to serve as the eyes and ears of the military by reporting any suspected presence of undesirable elements in their areas. Another positive result is that NPA combatants have returned to the fold of the law by surrendering their arms and ammunition to the authorities. In the process, they will be given incentives and financial assistance by our government for them to begin new life with their families. My friends, our journey to peace and development does not end here. It will not end here. In fact, our journey has just begun. The declaration of Negros Oriental as a conflict manageable and development-ready province is fraught with challenges. Every battle that we won, every honor that we receive, has a corresponding duty and responsibility. As we look towards the future, we are faced with the daunting task of sustaining the momentum of peace. We have just begun the first step, and our journey continues. As representative of over 1.2 million Oriental Residency, I bring with me the trust and belief of our people that this declaration will not remain a piece of public document. What is important is the fact that during our incumbency as governor, we have successfully reduced the number of insurgents to a manageable level, paving the way to peace and development. And we are now ready to proceed to the next step. As the great scientist Albert Einstein says, peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. Finally, as we set our hands under this document,
May we all be reminded of the blood of those men and women who perished during those years of armed struggles. And may the tears of those orphan children serve as the proverbial ink that we will seal this declaration. Never again shall there be war in this land, because peace is a luxury we cannot afford to lose in our lifetime. Let this be our mission, and let this be our prayer. May peace be with us all, and God bless Negros Oriental. Thank you very much.
Sir, I'd like to present to you all the mayors of the province of Negros Oriental manifesting their support for the declaration of a development-ready and conflict-manageable province.
I would like to express our congratulatory messages to the governments, the government, local government, as well as national agencies and civil society groups and private sector organizations in Negros Oriental on this very memorable and momentous occasion, the declaration of our province as a manageable conflict area, but very ready for development. Napakalato ang atong probinsya sa Negros Oriental. Our provinces in the region share the same dream of peace with the people of Negros Oriental. We also share the same hopes for a developed region, as Region 7 takes a command lead in the development of the nation as the fastest growing region in the country. We play a pivotal role in agriculture. We play a pivotal role in tourism. We also play a major role in information technology, as we also lead in greater leaps and bounds of progress that we see all around the islands. But we know too that development cannot reach higher goals without the very essential component of peace as the foundation of all the development efforts that we are doing. What is very, very significant about this gathering today is that we have pulled together the minds, the hands, the hearts of men and women who are joining forces to take into our own hands the responsibility of keeping Negros Oriental a peaceful province.
Every step we make in order to resolve our need to combat insurgency and illicit activities came as a result of our shared duty to peace and order and security here in the province of Negros Oriental. Highlighting our strengthening partnership with the local government unit, the armed forces of the Philippines and other civil society organizations, today's declaration of the province of Negros Oriental as conflict manageable and development-ready province manifests our shared desire to increase the living condition and secure the welfare of the people in the province.
We inform everyone that Negros Oriental as the fifth manageable conflict and development-ready province here in the Visayas. Out of the 16 provinces in our region, 6 provinces are insurgency-free and 5 provinces are declared conflict manageable and development ready. Magkakaibang terminology ang ginagamit, but then iisa ang kahulugan. This is very significant since this is a clear indication that indeed we are winning the peace that our nation has longed for. Despite experiencing what seemed to be overwhelming us with the recent major disasters that hit Central Visayas as well as Eastern Visayas and Western Visayas. We did not waver to these unfortunate events, but rather rose up to the challenge of rebuilding our nation.
Today, we gladly join our peace-loving countrymen in Region 7 in the declaration of Negros Oriental as conflict manageable and development-ready province. This is a victory for our Bayanihan spirit of oneness and togetherness as we engage in the whole-of-nation approach in the defense and preservation of our social ideals in order to attain lasting peace for our nation and people. Such is the price of the common dedication of our local government units, AFP, PNP, civil society organizations, and all patriotic individuals and organizations who pool their talents, resources, and capabilities to rid Negros Oriental of insurgency and lawlessness. Today, we are likewise here to renew our pledge to our constitutional duties. As freedom-loving people, we value our liberties and we will resist any attempt to trample upon our democratic ideals. It should be known by all that we are always ready to safeguard our liberties and fulfill our social aspirations. Belief in any political ideology or persuasion is our citizens' right to freedom of thought and expression. Nevertheless, bearing of arms against the government in the furtherance of one's political or social belief or persuasion is a violation of our Constitution. Such act will be repulsed by the state through the defenders and protective instruments of our government. This is a historic occasion aptly manifested by the unity of goal and direction by both our civil and military authorities to address insurgency in this province and the whole of Region 7. I am impressed with the inspiring leadership and moral courage of our local government officials here in Region 7. I congratulate Governor Roel Digamo and Governor Edgardo Chato for leading the way for our local government executives, civil society organizations, and our citizens in our fight against insurgency. Let us give them a big hand. I am convinced that your devoted cooperation, support, and unity to defeat the enemy transcends any personal motivation, as your common and ultimate goal is to solve the problem of insurgency in Negros Oriental and Region 7. Let me also acknowledge and commend the outstanding performance of duties by our AFP and PNP officers, men and women and units in this region. I leave the determination of appropriate awards to the good judgment of the Chief of Staff of our Armed Forces and the Chief of our Philippine National Police, even as I convey to our AFP and PNP personnel in the area my warmest congratulations for a job very well done. The signing ceremony today has presented another model of collaboration, cooperation, support and unity between and among our national and local officials, our police and military and civil society organizations. I trust that this will be emulated by our patriotic citizens in the other parts of our country. To Governor Digamo, Governor Chato, and all the peace-loving people of Negros Oriental and Region 7, my warmest congratulations on this special day. Thank you for your invitation and a pleasant day to all of us.
Thank you so much.
Alang gyapon sa inyong mga sugyot o reklamo ipadangat kini ninyo sa cellphone number 0921-207-5236 sa Smart ug 0905-606-6660 sa Globe. Mao padto naglangkob sa usab nga edisyon sa Provincial Report Mayo 10, 2014. Hantod sa sunod semana alang sa atong padayon nga panaguban aron paghatod sa mga mainungdanon nga kasayuran sa mga programa, kalambuan, kalihukan ug uban pang kahinuan sa lalawigan sa Negros Oriental. Uban kang Ching Flores ug Lingling Militon kini gyapon ang inyong ubos nga higala at Trian Sililio. Daghang salamat.
Oriental Mulambo, magbigamuta. Proyekto sa gobyerno, buligan pa. Health and education, livelihood programs and projects, buligan pa. Magtinabangay kita, magbigamuta. Sa bayo ug sa lungsod, sa tibuok probinsya magbigamuta. Aron ang Negros Oriental Mulambo, magbigamuta. Aron ang Negros Oriental Mulambo, magbigamuta.